Hey ChatGPT, introduce our viewers to our new course.
Welcome to The Beginner's Guide to Artificial Intelligence Tools by Tingenuity AI. I'm ChatGPT, here to guide you on your AI journey. Hosted by Jacob and Warren from Tingenuity AI, this course will introduce you to the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Ideal for beginners and enthusiasts alike, we'll explore essential AI tools and their applications in everyday life and professional settings. Expect engaging lessons, practical examples, and interactive activities designed to not only teach you about AI, but also to empower you to utilize its capabilities. Get ready to dive into the transformative world of AI with Tingenuity AI. Let's explore the future together.